We are in New Orleans East, and we are headed down to the Harley Davidson shop to meet a fellow YouTuber by the name of Anonymous Biker USA. We've been following each other for a little while on YouTube, and you know, he's a guy, he lives over here in New Orleans. We've been messaging each other back and forth for past several months. We tried to exchange stickers in the mail. He got my stickers, but I never got his. Something, you know, must be something going on with the mailing system or something like that. So I told him this last night. I messaged him and said, I am coming to New Orleans today. I'm gonna get my stickers. But nevertheless, actually, it's a good excuse to come over and finally see the guy, meet him face to face. Kind of wonder what he looks like, because in his videos he never reveals his face. He's always got a bandana over his face, hence the name Anonymous Biker. So I'm going to meet him down here at the Harley Davidson dealership in Metairie. I'm going to meet this guy. We'll talk back and forth a little bit. The missus was with me, but we thought we'd maybe bring you guys with us. So anyway, without any further ado, we'll see you at the Harley shop. All right, amigos, I found the guy, man. Check him out. This is Anonymous Biker USA. He has his own YouTube channel. These are the stickers that I was looking for. Hey, man, you got the stuff? All right. I got the stuff.
There you go.
And well, anyway, so we've been following each other's channel for how long now? About?
I've been on yours for a while, 6-7 months.
Yeah, something like that. We've been following each other for a little while, and it turns out we're neighbors. You know, he's a fellow YouTuber and MotoVlogger as well, and we figured we'd come meet each other in the flesh instead of just knowing each other digitally. You guys already know about my channel, so anyway, Anonymous Biker USA.
Sir.
So what's your channel about? What all do you do?
Motovlogs, scenic bike rides, product reviews, bike reviews, anything motorcycle, anything scenery, anything country rides. Come watch me.
So how long have you been doing it?
6 months.
6 months?
Yes, sir.
So how do you get along with the editing and all that kind of stuff, you know, to make your stuff happen? Because I know my experience so far, I think the biggest part about making videos, that's a huge headache. And anybody else out there who makes videos knows what I'm talking about. The editing is the biggest challenge.
Yes.
You know, what do you run into the most, and how do you overcome that?
I would probably say the biggest problem is taking the massive amount of footage you have, being able to bundle it up in a nice 8 to 10 minute segment to present it to YouTube, to make sure that it all makes sense, because there's so much good footage that you can use. However, to get it to be edited, to be presentable, is a task and a half to get it to a nice watchable format.
Yeah, I can definitely relate to that. But you ever do this, you end up with a whole bunch of footage that you're wondering what you're going to do with it.
Yeah.
And you end up using it, but you didn't see that coming when it was all over with. The next thing you know, you're like, how in the world did that happen? But it happened.
I did a whole video on what motovloggers don't want you to hear, and it's all my outtakes of stupid stuff I say under my helmet.
Do you have like a goal with what you're doing, or what do you hope to see with your channel?
I mean, right now it's new, so I'm just trying to take it one day at a time, develop some content that people enjoy watching. And since I like riding, I like filming, I figure I'll bring it to you. And if you subscribe, it's greatly appreciated. And as it grows, it'd be great. I'd appreciate it greatly.
Yeah, so in other words, you just kind of keep it real, being true to yourself?
That's 100% true. I ride anyway, I film anyway, I might as well try it on YouTube.
Yeah, isn't there something better on TV? But, but I guess not, because I think we live in an age now where there really is nothing good on TV. The media is full of crap. Yeah. Nobody can put out any good content for a sitcom. So a lot of people are turning to YouTube to see real people make real videos about real things, and about real life.
Choose a topic that you want to see, which is why I watch Saddle Tramp.
There really is nothing better on TV.
Not for me. Saddle Tramp's the guy.
But aside from that, look, you guys check out Anonymous Biker. I'm going to leave his link down below in the description so you guys can check him out. He keeps it real the best he can, you know, real guy. great sense of humor. So anyway, now on to other things. Well, that was pretty cool. That was a pretty cool dealership too. I've never been to that dealership. That was really cool getting to see Anonymous Biker USA. Really have been enjoying his stuff on Instagram, his stuff on YouTube, and he's got a pretty cool personality. Of course, I know I already said that to you guys. And it looks like we are coming into New Orleans 5 o'clock traffic all of a sudden. So I'm not very used to talking to a camera or riding in traffic like this. So let's see if I can make it happen. So anyway, it's not very often I get to visit with folks who have been following my channel, and that's mainly because I haven't been doing it very long. So, but I guess as time goes on, I'll get to meet more people. But it's always a joy to hear, not only hear feedback digitally on the internet, but also to see it face to face, and also to get ideas and perspectives from other content creators. So I know this video was a little different as far as you know, some of the content, I guess, but I look forward to seeing more of Anonymous Biker in person, as well as his stuff on YouTube and his Instagram stuff. So anyway, I thank you guys for watching, and if you like what you've seen so far, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more content coming up. And again, I have no idea what I'm going to film next, but I will try to keep it interesting. And so you guys keep the rubber side down, and you be good to yourselves. And thanks a lot.